Hey everyone, welcome back to Native GIS Today. I'm giving you a sneak peek into one of our most requested and most exciting topics yet.
What if I told you maps can now predict the future from traffic jams to flood zones to disease outbreaks? Welcome to the world of predictive GIS, where artificial intelligence and spatial data combine to forecast what happens next. Predictive GIS, or Geographic Information Systems, uses historical data, real-time sensors, and AI models to simulate how spatial events might unfold days, months, or even years ahead. It's like time travel, but for data. Let's see it in action. In Jakarta, Indonesia, GIS-based flood models pull in elevation, rainfall, and drainage data to predict flood-prone zones before storms even arrive. So, city planners and citizens get a heads up and lives are saved. It doesn't stop there. During COVID-19, Predictive GIS was a silent hero. It helped visualize outbreak zones, track how people moved, and pinpoint where hospitals and resources were needed most. Behind every heat map, there's a technology making sense of millions of data points, and that made a real difference. Now, think about your daily commute. In cities like Singapore, Predictive GIS works behind the scenes to optimize traffic flow. AI can actually simulate congestion before it happens, then tweak traffic lights or suggest new routes to keep cars moving smoothly. The result? Less waiting, less honking, and a smarter drive for everyone. Agriculture's also getting a boost. Predictive GIS helps farmers forecast crop yields by analyzing rainfall, soil health, and satellite imagery. It's a digital crystal ball for the fields, helping make better decisions and feed more people. So how does all this magic work? It's powered by layers and layers of geospatial data, all fed into powerful AI models like random forests, LSTMs, and deep learning networks. Imagine code and colorful maps fusing together, every layer adding more intelligence. But let's be real for a second. Predictive mapping isn't perfect. If the data's biased or incomplete, the predictions can miss the mark. And who has access to these advanced tools? That's an ethical puzzle we still need to solve. Looking ahead, the possibilities are wild. Imagine interactive maps that can simulate disaster response, climate migration, or economic shifts years before they actually happen. With Predictive GIS, you're not just seeing the world as it is, but as it could be. So, the next time you open a map, remember it's not just about where things are, but where they're going. If you found this fascinating, hit subscribe and explore the future of mapping with me. Drop a comment, what would you like GIS to predict next? I'm genuinely curious to know.
Workflows. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest in AI and GIS. See you in the next video.